Hi, I'm Darnell with Wheel of Oven Recipes, and I'm here to do a little air fryer Q&A with you because you may have seen on the bottom of some cooking appliances a message that says, do not exceed 60 minutes on in a 2-hour period. And you may be wondering why that's there, and so I wanted to explain to you why that's there. And so basically, one of the reasons why that's there is to prevent the air fryer oven from overheating, because if things overheat, there is a fire risk. Now you may say, well, I have some recipes in my book that came with my appliance that go for over 1 hour. So how can I have recipes that go over an hour, but there's a warning that says don't use this more than 60 minutes in a 2-hour period? It is because the appliance itself is going to regulate that. That's why you see sometimes heating coils turning on and off. They do that because they are making sure that things don't overheat. They're making sure that it's not going to do over an hour of actual runtime for those individual heating coils in a 2-hour period. It's managing it on its own internally. I'll leave a link in the video description of one manufacturer who answered someone's question, basically explaining that to the person who asked the question. So these air fryer ovens and air fryers, they're made to automatically regulate temperature without having to have the heating coils running on all the time. And if they did run on all the time, or they were all red all the time, things would overheat and your house would probably burn down. So it's very good that they have things set to regulate to not always run all the time and to automatically be able to turn on and off while maintaining temperature for you. Also, this helps the appliance to last longer so that it doesn't fail on you, because you want something that's going to last, and by it being able to regulate, that is going to help you to have an appliance that you can use for a longer period of time. So that is why you have a warning talking about not exceeding 60 minutes in a 2-hour window, while at the same time you're able to cook things that take far longer than an hour and not burn the house down, not have issues. It's able to handle things like that. Now, I do have to say, for things such as like blenders or other types of appliances that you can manually keep them running as long as you want, if they have such a warning that you should only use it for a period of time, that's something that you're going to have to manage yourself manually to not exceed the use times that might overheat things, or basically cause you a problem or cause your appliance to fail sooner. You have to be cognizant of that. Check out what is written on the warnings for your appliance and make sure that you don't exceed those warnings by your overuse of something for too long. All these appliances have motors in them, and so you have to make sure that you're not going to overheat those motors or overrun those things to cause them to break sooner or to cause you other issues that you want to avoid. So I hope that this helps explain things to you, not only about the warning on appliances, also as far as the matter of heating coils going on and off and why they do some of that. It's to help protect you, and so that's a good thing. And so here on the Wave Oven Recipes YouTube channel, there are almost 1,000, or maybe more than 1,000 at this time, different types of videos about cooking appliances, and covers well over 100 different types of cooking appliances. So there's a lot here to check out and enjoy, so I hope that you do stick around and look at some more. There are lots of ways to help the channel out in the video description. Also, you can check out my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com. Again, that's superwaveovenrecipes.com. And in the video description, there are things like my cookbook, merch, memberships, donations, links to lots of shops that you know very well. And there's also things like the shop icon here that you can use to shop and buy things. And all of those help the channel. And there are free ways to help the channel as well. There are things like the hype button if you want to use that and you're on a mobile device and you're watching this within the first 7 days. And even if you're not watching it on a mobile device, if you have a mobile device nearby, you can just pick it up and use the hype button on this video to hit it like up to 3 times to help promote this video. Also, you can give the video a thumbs up. You can share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe, hit that notification icon, and good eating.